I got to tell you, I love chip. I went up to Muir Woods. My parents were in town last weekend, so I took them up to Muir Woods. They've been before, but they like going. And we went to the, there's sort of the gift shop where they sell all things redwood, right? And so we went there, and there's a snack shop that's attached to it. And out front, the chipmunks were just going crazy. I mean, they were eating everything in sight. They were carrying tourists away. It was nice. It was like this little old lady. They were digging a hole to bury her in and stuff, Like, we're going to keep her for later. I know, it's kind of morbid. I'm sorry. But the chipmunks were funny. They were all over the place. And speaking of chipmunks, example number 5. When a chipmunk hibernates, its weight decreases by about 0.31 pound. Okay. I didn't know that. That's why they were trying to eat all this stuff before it gets cold, apparently. After hibernation, a chipmunk weighs about 0.31 pound. Now, that's after. Find the weight of the chipmunk before hibernation. All right, well, I need to set up an equation. I want someone to set up an equation for me here. Simon, what you got?
Okay, so...
Can I let W equal weight?
Yeah.
Is that all right? Okay, so W is the weight before hibernation.
W plus 0.31.
W plus 0.31, the weight that it lost.
Yeah. Equals 0.035.
Equals 0.35. I'm not sure I like that one right there. I mean, I like the thought that was going on, but I think we've got our numbers jumbled just a bit here. Let's look at that again. Tut, what do you think?
Do W plus 0.35.
I got to tell you something. I think if we take their weight before hibernation and we subtract the weight they lose during the winter, then we get what they weigh after winter. Does that make sense? So, Simon, if that's the case, what do I need to do to get W by itself?
So you need to do 0.31.
What do I need to do with 0.31?
Or 0.35.
I need to add 0.31 to both sides. Good.
Yeah.
Okay. So I do it over here, and I have to add it over here, 0.31 over here. So these cancel out. I'm left with W equals, who's got that for me? Who's got that for me? Liam. 0.66 pounds. LB, or pound, whatever they like to do. All right? Great job, guys. We're done with all the examples. Get to your homework.